For years, I've been recommending light exercise to recover from your ice bath, return blood to your limbs, and rewarm those extremities that were subject to vasoconstriction while you were in the cold water. You might think that moderate or heavy exercise is the way to go because it would rewarm you faster. After all, more exercise means more heat generated by your muscles, right? Now there's a new study in the Journal of Military Medicine. The scientists at the Navy studied 28 soldiers and compared light to moderate exercise after cold exposure to see which would bring their core, hand, and foot temperatures back up to normal fastest. They discovered there's no difference. During moderate exercise, the soldiers experienced a greater heart rate and reported a higher rate of subjective sense of exertion. But the temperatures in their hand, feet, and core didn't go up any more quickly than when they were just doing light exercise. This is why I recommend you use lunges or maybe some squats or a stationary bike after your ice bath to return circulation to your limbs and bring your body temperature back up to speed. Then you can go heavy with the weights or whatever your regular workout is. But it only takes a little bit of exercise after your ice bath to get those testosterone benefits that have been measured in my body and dozens of others who've adopted this protocol of pre-cooling light exercise with their ice bath.